27 years back we started our journey, and Rashi Productions was giving me my break, and we were going through a low phase. Everything was being put into this film, and my father told me write a love story. I wrote in English. He told me translate. I translated Hindi. We got a script, and everyone felt it should be a new boy, new girl. So that's when one new boy was called, and lot more has to come. But when he first came, I remember outside at the reception he's sitting, and that time heroes were big, broad, tall, and he looked very small, very small. And I was thinking, oh, here he is, I'm Salim Saab's son. And then he came, he sat in front of me, but his photographs he showed me. I think Monish, he shot the photographs. And he showed me the photographs, and the photographs said something different. Even then, I wish I had those photographs to show today. That photograph, those eyes, that jawline. And you see the photograph, you see him, and it was just world apart. Those photographs were magic.
Thank you, Suraj.
And then we decided we'll hold a test. We'll do a screen test for him. And what we have here is a few glimpses of his first screen test of Prem, which we would all like to share because that is our golden moment. And for me, these things are very dear. For 27 years, I did not allow anyone to touch it. And we brought those glimpses in its original form. I've not allowed them to online it. Nothing, just basic restoration. It's his voice. It's our voice. It's our journey. So, Salam, if you want to say
He's still paranoid about showing it.
Today morning, just now I asked him here on stage, do we really need to show it?
I said, no, we need to expose me. कि अगर ये बन सकता है तो हिंदुस्तान का हर बच्चा प्रेम बन सकता है.
And this was shot, his first test was shot 1 week before his birthday on December 87, I think 21st or something when. So Salil, if you want to.
So as sir mentioned, we're going back to the audition. Very first audition of मैंने प्यार किया. Let's.
और फिर ये रोज बनाई दोस्ती के लिए. Don't you take one? Action. बोलिए पापा, किस बात का एतराज है आपको? क्या गलती की हमने? क्या कसूर है मेरा जो आप मेरी दुनिया को बसने से पहले उजाड़ देना चाहते हैं?
This was not
Was
considered
rejected.
acceptable.
This was rejected because that because that dialogue was also a little poetic. I wrote about
And Q,
Yeah,
and
but-
he has told me to say it like that.
yeah, but not like you. So he went on, and there was no voice, there was no throw. So this was more or less okay. He looked nice, but more or less. But there was another reason why it was rejected, and that was because my first film, and it was supposed to be new boy, new girl, and he was already doing one film, BV Ho To Aise, and that too a side role. So to bring him into this film, especially after this dialogue, and to make him a hero, and to launch a new pair was a big question mark. So for 4-5 months, हम इन्हें टालते रहे.
Sir, one sec. I want to stop you there. Salman sir, what were you feeling after you'd given this audition? Were you feeling confident?
I thought sure shot done. अब राष्ट्रीय ऑफिस के अंदर क्या चल रहा है, I didn't know. And then when that 4 months happened, then I realized कि यहाँ पर तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. So I went to this, started meeting people again. So there was this one film that was being made by Mr. Suresh Bhagat, who was this same BB Ho To Aise. He was the producer of Mr. K.C. Bukadia's film. So Mr. K.C. Bukadia's production manager, Mr. J.K. Bihari, was making this film. There's a Pakistani remake with Rekha Ji, Farooq Sheikh, Kader Khan, Bindu Ji. It was like a very big cast at that point in time. So I remember walking into some place in Khar. There was a garage. And Bihari Sahab just told me a few days ago, about months ago, कि यार कोई करने को तैयार ही नहीं था. तो ऐसे अगला जो भी इस यहाँ से आएगा ना इस रोल के लिए, कोई भी हो, मैं उस इडियट को ले लूँगा. This about 4-5 months ago he told me. जैसे आपकी कास्टिंग अगर आप ऐसे सोच रहे हो कि आपकी कास्टिंग के हमको आपकी पर्सनालिटी पसंद आई हो या कुछ टैलेंट देखा हो, बिल्कुल नहीं. हर एक ने इस रोल को रिफ्यूज किया. आप आए, हमने आपसे पूछा, हम परेशान हो गए थे, कोई कर ही नहीं रहा था ये रोल. आपने किया, हमने आपको साइन कर दिया.
And that was the story, and so
That was-
history was allowed to be made also after that.
And he was doing this film, and we didn't like this test, especially that "क्यों" dialogue. So,
Acha, how many retakes did you? You must have tried to say
Daz-
name क्यों?
This
क्यों?
is-
10-12
this is
होते रहे.
10-12 हजार.
हाँ. क्यों? So, then 5-6 months हम लोग रोकते रहे. But the most surprising thing was he kept sending boys after boys. इसको ले लो. कोई अपने ही सर पे कुल्हाड़ी तो मारते पर ये मार रहे. इसको मेरे से better. And this went on. Finally, I went to Satish Balla, where he was shooting for BB Hitesi. कि production Zaki साहब was there. I said कि जाके बोलें तो सही इन्हें कि नहीं cancel. कोई बोले तो सही. तो गए अंदर and he was shooting with रेखा जी. तो आते ही गले मिल रहे हैं. मैंने बोला कैंसिल होके इनको ले लो. तो कैंसिल होने के बाद भी कोई बोले इनको ले लो, हम बाहर आए. And we said अगर हीरो बनेगा तो यही बनेगा. So what got him the film, remember what got us मैंने प्यार किया together is not the actor, it is the man. It is the man in the word Salman. Thank you Kiran ji for this thought. And even now, it is the man who wins. It is not the actor. And now we can show the second test हुआ हमारा जिसमें हमने बाल कटाए कहाँ पे.
So we went to this one beauty salon called what's it called?
हाँ बंद भी हो गई होगी.
Beauty Star. Beauty Star.
बैंड्रा में ही था.
बैंड्रा में था. हाँ. वो जिगजैग रोड के नीचे. तो वहाँ पर एक हमारे बाल काटा करता था, उसका नाम सिकंदर है. अभी उसकी नौकरी लग गई है आलिम के यहाँ पर. वो ब्यूटी स्टार बंद हो गया. So we went there. उसने आई थिंक 15 रुपए लिए बाल काटने के लिए. वैसे 5 रुपए लेता था. उस वक्त देखा कि ये हीरो बनने वाला तो पहले ही निपटा उसे.
मैं ऐसे खड़ा था, कहीं ज़्यादा कट जाए कम कट जाए क्या भरोसा, कट गए तो फिर आएंगे नहीं.
I'm surprised he didn't open a series of नाई की दुकान after that. सलमान भाई का हेयर कट मैंने करवाया था और अभी देखो तो बड़े
उसके बाद बहुत माइलेज का बहुत फुटेज आया. बहुत फुटेज. अब जब भी मैं जाता था उसके पास तो ये संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल कर. अरे मैं सलमान खान हूं, मैं संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल क्यों करूंगा यार. इसे नहीं मामा, तुम संजय दत्त की हेयर स्टाइल. So for the first 3-4 years it was only Sanjay Dutt hairstyle that I was supporting. संजय दत्त बाल लंबा तो आप बाल लंबा करो संजय दत्त की तरह. संजय दत्त स्पाइक कर लिए तो आप काट लो संजय दत्त की तरह. Eventually I had to stop going to him. Then I started going to Roxanne.
And then we had the second test. And this is the clip of the second test which actually made us aware that this is a superstar. This is a little glimpse, it's just a little bit, but this we were aware that this is the star. So this is what actually got him the role. There is one girl.
No, after that happened, na, they've confirmed me. So now Bibi Hota Aisi was releasing, was complete. So they asked me to see the film, Bibi Hota Aisi. I went and saw the film. I said, the film is good, but I suck. It's like, I'm like terrible in it. Me and Arbaz saw it, and Arbaz, I was like, ये क्या हो गया? They dubbed my voice as somebody else, जो भी हुआ. So I came out of the theater. From Dimple only I called you up. I said, I just saw Bibi Hota Aisi. And he said, huh? I'm terrible in the film. So he said, then what's the problem? It will not do well. Nobody said, no, the problem is the film is a good film. It will do well. And the more people see it, the more they will say कि इसको काय को ले लिए तो बहुत गंदा है. No one's going to come and see मैंने प्यार किया. I said, I am going out now. I'll come join you as an assistant. So he said, no, but how bad can it be? So I said, come, I'll show you. So then I asked J.K. Bihari साहब से वो उन्होंने sign किया. It's not fair. मैं तो आपको पता है मेरी capability क्या है इस film में कि मैंने कितना खराब काम किया. It's not fair that they would have to suffer me. So then he allowed me to keep a trial. They kept a trial in Dimple only. Suraj Babu came and saw the film. And he comes out of the theatre and he said, Salman, why are your eyes looking so big? ऐसे eyes को तो मैं छोटे कर लूँगा. ये picture आ गई अंदर. So throughout मैंने प्यार क्या लगाया. दिख भी नहीं रहा था. It's not open your eyes, open your eyes.
But there is one girl who we owe our relation to Salman Khan, to Maine Pyar Kiyu. We were testing a lot of girls much before. We started testing much before girls, boys and all that. So there was one girl who came, who tested. Her name was Shabana Dutt. Her name is Shabana Dutt. And I remember after doing the test, of course her test was not correct. She told me that there is who hero. I said, we are hunting for boys. Can you suggest? She said, एक लड़का है सलमान खान जिसके साथ मैंने एक ऐड किया थी, चप्पल का कोई ऐड था. And why don't you? I said, please give the number. कोई भी हो अभी ढूंढ रहे. तो he says, सलीम साहब के son. So we were, me, my father, all of us, सलीम साहब के son कहाँ करेंगे? Nobody, very nice guy. You should just call him. He'll come like that and take a test. So that is when
चप्पल का ऐड कर रहा हूँ मैं और सलीम साहब के son को पता है कि काम की कितनी जरूरत है. 7.5 रुपए में काम कर रहे हैं. They are thinking in the Rashtriya office कि how will he do it?
So that's when we contacted Honey Uncle, जो सलीम साहब के साथ काम करते, to ask him. And that's how, of course, there were 2 other people who had helped us. So 3 people were एक time पे recommended. I have tried at my level. He's trying at his level to contact her. If someone can contact her, please, we owe him just a little glimpse of who she was, because we owe him to her.
Don't go looking for the same face because I'm sure it must have changed. This 27 years ago.
The test was like that only. And in this same sari, I remember her telling me that there is a boy you should take.
I think it was Lakhani Chappal at that point of time, and Kailash Surendranath was shooting the film. Sangeeta was with me, and I think when I asked Kailash, okay, who's this girl? He said, I think she was from the agency. So she was from the agency, then I didn't know what she was doing in Suraj Babu's office, auditioning for Bhagyashree's role. But sabko ek pata hai ke, and the fact that she went there and she suggested my name. And then also there's this writer of theirs who was writing for Rashtriya at that time, Mr. Kamar Naqvi. So I went to Lucky Hotel for a narration. Somebody else only was, they used to have all these writers and directors, sitting there at the Lucky restaurant here in Bandra. मैं चला गया तो वो वहाँ पर बैठे थे वहाँ पर. So it was another director narrating a script to me. Really bad one. So I had to say no to him. तुमको समझ क्या है? तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो ये? So I think Kamar Naqvi at that point of time understood कि ये समझदार बच्चा है. Because even he as a writer did not like the script. So I think he also came and told Gupta ji and Zaki साहब के I just met this boy, he's Salim Saab's son. So 2-3 जगह से एक people started recommending my name. And before I think you had already finalized Deepak Tijori and Kunal Goswami.
Lots of them.
These two names were in the running.
What about the success party and all? Didn't you all meet everybody after that? After it became such a super hit film, sir, didn't you have a big party where everybody came across?
कुछ नहीं सर, पर उसके पहले अभी तो बहुत रास्ते थे.
Achha.
First was to find the girl.
Oh, so since then, no contact at all, and she also never contacted you after that. Nothing.
No, there's no.
Wow.
I got her number, but the phone didn't.
Oh, actually, an angel.
Rang and then it was like.
But then
she
after
won't pick
this
up the
was
phone.
our journey to find the heroine.
Yes.
And then we kept lot of girls. One incident I'd like to share. Both of us, we had liked a girl, I think at Roshan Taneja ji's acting school. So we saw and we said that this is the girl. Today she's there, she's a mother and we...
What was her name?
No, it's okay. So then...
Shine.
No. So we both liked her very much, but she was the niece of a very big star.
Shine.
Very big. And so we took an appointment and हमारे गुप्ता जी जो थे वो बोले कि हम जाके परमिशन लेंगे. तो आई रिमेंबर हम दोनों गाड़ी में बैठे हैं एंड गुप्ता जी गए उनके घर पे, हम बाहर बैठे कि हीरोइन बन गई, ऐसा लोग ये वो. गुप्ता जी आधे घंटे बाद एंड ही सेड क्या हुआ? नहीं चलो ऑफिस चलेंगे. तो हम सब गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं ऑफिस में. He made us sit out. He went to father. Then finally he came out. He said कि नहीं वो सब थोड़ा reservation है. They are saying यश चोपड़ा और अनिल कपूर होते combination तो it would have been a launch. So we have gone through all this, not knowing our own worth. Maybe it was right at that time, wrong. But ये सब journey से गुजरे and we have a glimpse of the various some girls whom we had tested.
Yeah, there was one girl from Rotterdam or Amsterdam somewhere. I still remember her name Mariam. She's one of the short she's here.
Out of desperation जो आए टेस्ट होते गए but then this is the test, the one which really worked for us. And by the time we are showing you the final test, but one thing was very clear. We shot this at around 2:30 in the night and we realized he is at his best at that time. You can see by that time
You all will agree with that.
by that time we knew how the stubble looked. By that time he knew what the camera is. You can see the romance in him.
So then, he was so fed up that eventually he said that I'm going to take Neelam in the film now. I was like, yeah. कोई तो एक, established आ गई यहाँ पर हमारे साथ काम करने के लिए. So he was going to go to Ooty. And then suddenly he does not go to Ooty because I think Raj Babu found Bhagyashri. And then he showed me the pictures. I said, is there sisters known in the film? I was like, sister का casting you take it.
तो नीलम जी जब मिलती हैं तो आज भी बोलती हैं कि मैंने प्यार किया आते आते ऊटी रुक गए. द फैक्ट इज हम आपके कौन भी आते आते रुक गए, तो हम साथ साथ बुलाया भी तो बहन के लिए.
हीरोइन को बहन बनाया, बहन को हीरोइन बनाया.
Thanks. Same here.
बहुत टाइम
Oh,
लगा,
Suraj Babu, don't expose.
बहुत टाइम लगा, but one quality of Salman Bhai which has really taken him to where he is today is that even at that time he was never afraid of making a fool of himself. He was not afraid कि अगर
Some things never change.
but there have been incidents when he's going for the shot and he says one more. कितने भी बड़े एक्टर हो सब, नहीं तो हम सब we are worried लोग क्या बोलेंगे लोग, but never it has been. So that is what makes him so natural today. So the journey has been take after take, but by the time this film was over, it was one take. It was, even today, he doesn't require any more than one take.
So many years of retake ka practice, no?
But there was also
There was a scene where in the mandir I had to give a cue to Alok Nath ji, and I was missing that. Ronald says, "Cue Babuji," and when his lines were over and then my line came, I almost became Shah Rukh Khan. Cue Babuji. What was that? Because you're working with Alok Nath in front. And first time you're working with, you know somebody who's there in the film industry and popular. तो आवाज ही नहीं निकलती थी बाहर. And then, so whatever you see of Alok ji right now, that whole sanskari bit is Suraj Babu.
No, but everyone says Salman Khan, everyone says big star, lucky, but there are some things I know what he has gone through because I've been through those times. I've been through that time when we have finished dubbing him. We've gone to the mixing studio. Both of us are sitting at the back. Our mixing, and that mixing engineer used to mix Prakash Mehra film, Manmohan Desai film, huge table, both of us sitting at the back. And he starts mixing, he hears the first reel and he tells my father, Raj Babu, this, you have to dub his voice. ये तो film गई नहीं तो. And both of us look at each other. He says, हाँ ये तो, and he didn't care कौन.
No, yeah, because even the earlier film बीवी होता है ऐसी, they dub my voice. I say यार dub करो किसी से भी करा लो, ये picture आनी चाहिए बाहर पे देखेंगे अपन.
And he said, dub करो इसका तो कुछ ठीक है, but picture. So I remember coming out, we have to hunt, and my father goes in, and he tells the engineer that नया लड़का है, you have to give him one more chance, ये तो हिम्मत जाएगी. And we redubbed the whole film. Earlier we dubbed in the mornings, then we dubbed in the afternoons, in the evenings. And today, no one has the guts to tell him one more at dubbing. So that has been struggle.
I do it on my own only. That 10 more I only give. If anyone says cake or sir, I only give 10 different variations of that. But the amazing thing is a 20-year-old boy had the courage at that point of time to cast him. And he was there right in front of me at every given time. Will be dubbing, will be the casting, will be one more retake, it will be I'm sure that this film would have been made in the amount that they used to make films at that point of time, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. But I'm sure that 1 crore 11 lakhs or 20 lakhs का जो budget गया होगा, उसमें मेरा बहुत बड़ा हाथ होगा. Because if you calculate that, those 10, 15 retakes, if you calculate कि उस वक्त तो we used to shoot on negative, so raw stock used to be very expensive also. So एक rehearsal हुआ, एक take हुआ, second take हुआ, नहीं rehearsal कर लो 4-5 rehearsal ठीक हो गए, फिर वापस से किया. So that I remember that one, we got stuck on a lot of things, but there's that one scene, माँ तू ऐसा कर, तू मेरे लिए ऐसी लड़की ढूंढ, boy cut, ये वो bob cut वगैरह, वो that scene. We started at 10:30. The late आना का हमेशा का थोड़ा सा problem था from the first film. अरे how much tension he used to give me यार. Because अभी तक that sadma is still not gone. That everyone is going to be waiting. So I used to try and go to sleep at 9 o'clock. 9:30 I used to be wide awake. And then from there trying to sleep, tossing, turning. और यही ख्वाब आते थे कि लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, लेट हो जाऊंगा यार, उठो, लेट हो जाऊंगा. And then वाकई में I used to get late. फिर वो नींद मुझे आती थी 6:30 बजे कि 5 में सो जाता हूँ. Suddenly I used to wake up 8:30 बज गए. Now I have to reach Natras studio Andheri. It's to sit in the car, means drive. That Lakshman Dada used to drive me. I used to park the car on the highway. I used to run off. I used to do parkour then. I used to run into from the highway. I used to come into Stage Studio, jump the wall of Stage Studio, run into Nataraj and stand there. Where are you? Your car? There's a car outside there, parked. When you came? At 8 o'clock in the morning. ये 1.5-2 महीने चलता रहा एक दिन. So one day he figured something fishy is going on. So now I'm jumping the wall and he sees me in high speed. He's standing right next to the wall. I said, this is not fair, Suraj Babu, yaar. Suraj, yaar, don't give me this time, ke 9 baje, yaar. 7 o'clock shift, I'll never be late. But 9 o'clock is that time that you fall asleep. So one day in Hum Saath Saath Hain, same problem. 7 o'clock shift, I was there at 7:15 in the morning. Huh? He showed me the watch. I said, nice watch, Suraj Babu, new one. 7:15, everyone ready, dress and all. That's okay. Next day, I went there at 4:30 in the morning, dressed up, and I sat down there. 4:30 in the morning, party करके चला गया वहाँ पर. There, so then I think More was there. He called up Suraj Babu in the room. He says, "वो सलमान भाई आके ready makeup के साथ बैठ गए यहाँ पर." So he comes 5:30 in the morning. He says, "I'm married man. I've got children. Don't do this to me."
But this has been a journey. Then came Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I wrote the script, and honestly, when I wrote the script, when we wrote, not many had the faith in this. So I remember Salman Bhai, Sangeeta both came to the house, and when I narrated him, he loved the script. One of the few people who loved, and he said कि इस picture में best ये कि ना कोई hero heroine कोई नहीं है, सभी hero heroine, including the dog. And literally he was a big star at that time, and there have been songs where he's like a junior artist, a dancer sitting in the Samdi Samdan गाने में पीछे 7 दिन तक सिर्फ ताली बजा रहे हैं. My DOP, my assistant asking, sir, he'll feel bad, but nahi, he's there and he's clapping because he knew the film. Then came Hum Saath Saath Hain. Hum Saath Saath Hain में I casted him in a sober role, and I remember that time he told me, Suraj Babu, let me do the third role. ऐसे नहीं, सर में वो सब हम लोग ने कर लिया, एक संजीत की ऐसा एक करेंगे ऐसा रोल. So he agreed and he did. And yes, after the release, a lot of people told me, "Arey, we wanted to see Salman Khan in that role, in this role." But I felt, oh, did I make a mistake? But the best part was when his dad, Salim Saab, came out of retirement, he says, "Salman, this is your best role." So this has been our journey. In Hum Saath Saath Hain, I remember I wanted Salman Bhai, he was a character who was saying, why is there poverty outside? Why is there suffering outside? Why is there dukh outside? That was the character. And what we have here in this film is the same Prem who has the answer to all those questions. So Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is our answer to all those questions, all those answers to all the journey that we have had together, to answer and to tell us what this Ratan Dhan is all about. So this is our journey, Salil. This has been where we have come.
It's a complete circle that is finally closed. It's been wonderful. A big round of applause there for what we saw.
After seeing this, the screen test, I just realized that how similar Suraj and me used to be then. What happened to me? Because of you.
So there's a small question. It's a very big word that... Yeah, please, please. इस पिक्चर का मैं एक सवाल करना चाहता हूँ आपसे. लास्ट ईयर एक शब्द बहुत पॉपुलर हुआ था, उससे पहले शायद भारतीय लोगों को ये पता नहीं था, वर्जिन. इट वाज वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर. एंड इस पिक्चर में भी किसी का ये ऐसा नाम है सर. तो इसकी कहानी क्या है?
स्टार्ट किसी से किया.
सोचा कि गूगली डाला जाए.
All the scenes that I have written till now with him, मैंने हमेशा ना एक राम लिखा, then कृष्ण ये बनाते हैं. So this has been our rapport since he has his own way of putting this frame. So इस फिल्म में there is Anupam ji's role, Anupam Kher's role, who's playing a prime minister of a royal family. So when I conceived the role, I said, okay, this is Anupam sir. I told him that this is your role, and you are very much honored with the late महाराज, because जब आपकी शादी हुई थी तो बारात आप महल से निकाली थी महाराज ने. आपके दोनों बच्चे अब्रॉड रहते हैं, आपको बार बार बुलाते हैं, बट आप नहीं जाना चाहते बिकॉज ऑफ योर लव फॉर द रॉयल फैमिली. तो अनुपम जी ने अपना माइंड सेट किया, कपड़े वपड़े बने, आधा सीन पिक्चर शो हो गई. एक दिन ये बोलते हैं कि नो, ही शुड बी अ वर्जिन बिकॉज ही हैज़ अ स्पेशल रिलेशनशिप विद अनुपम जी. सो वेयर डज दिस कम, वी डोंट नो. हम तो कोई और किरदार लेके चलें, एंड ही वॉन्ट्स टू कंसीव अ सर्टेन ह्यूमर विद अनुपम सर. अनुपम जी मुझे बोले, मेरी तो वाइफ, मेरे तो बच्चे, तो ये कहाँ कैरेक्टर जा रहे. मैंने कहा ये सब कैंसिल, राष्ट्रीय फिल्म में कहाँ आएगा ये. तो मैंने बोल दिया ये सब नहीं, पर इन्होंने टेक शुरू किया, इन्होंने बोल दिया वर्ड, ओके हो गया, बिकॉज सब हंस दिए. अब उसको निभाते निभाते हमको पूरे 3-4 सीन करने पड़े. सो दिस इज व्हाट ही इज, ही गेट्स हिज वे आउट. सो सर, दिस इज हाउ दिस.
But there's always a nice तड़का to it. That's why the taste always remains fantastic. Sir, एक कहानी जो ट्रेलर लॉन्च के टाइम पे,
No, he was called Bapu in the film.
Yes.
So now this is the backstory that I knew, but now we're not showing the backstory. So I said, Bapu is giving me advice on how to lubhao Sonam, Maithili. So I said, आपके कन्याओं के एक्सपीरियंस से आप मुझे बताइए कि इस ब्यूटीफुल नारी को मैं कैसे लुभाऊं. Now he realizes कि मेरे पास तो कोई कन्याओं का एक्सपीरियंस तो है नहीं. तो I said, सिर्फ नाम के बापू है, वर्जन बापू, and I ran away from it.
So that's what this film, it has bits of him and bits little like this.
अच्छा, very conveniently all this stuff is put onto me right now.
अच्छा, एक ट्रेलर लॉन्च के टाइम पे एक सवाल था, when we saw glimpses of 2 different yous. अब तो बाहर कुछ खबरें भी आ गई हैं कि there are 2 yous in this film, the double role. I'm sure you can confirm that also. What is that?
No, it's a double role.
So what is that zone? One good and one bad?
There is no Ratan. There is Vijay and there is Prem. Now he'll be the best person to describe both the characters.
There is a double role in this film of Salman Bhai. One is a Prem who does Ram Leelas, who's from Ayodhya, who knows the Ramayana kanthast every doha. And there is a prince, there is a Vijay, there's a prince who speaks French, Italian, German. There is one prince who says that अगर इसे ही family कहते तो हर आदमी अकेला तन्हा ही अच्छा. And there is a Prem who says that हर family में problem है, but वो खुश नसीब है जिनकी family होती. So in this film we have 2 Salmans debating on family, on the base of family, on the sanctity of family, and both loving in their own ways. Both are right, no one is wrong. So this is what, yes, there is a double role.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.